Is your Renault Trafic 2023's alarm constantly triggering? Here's why. The most common culprits are a misaligned proximity antenna, faulty door contact switches, or software glitches. The Prox antenna communicates with your key fob, and if it's not calibrated correctly or is damaged, possibly after a minor accident, it can cause false alarms. Door contacts, the microswitches in your door latches, signal if a door is open or closed. Corrosion or damage to these contacts can lead to the system thinking a door is open when it's not, triggering the alarm. Finally, software bugs in the ECU can misinterpret sensor data, leading to alarm malfunctions. A software update version 2.4.1, released in June 2025, recalibrates the Prox antenna sensitivity and has fixed many cases. First, try a system reset by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. Alternatively, remove fuse number 23 for 30 seconds, then recalibrate using the key fob. If that doesn't work, check your door contacts. Regularly clean door seals to avoid moisture and prevent corrosion. To check the Prox antenna for damage, examine the door frame, especially if you had a recent accident. If problems persist, especially in 2023 models produced between January and April, check Renault's website with your VIN for recall eligibility. Visit a dealership to recalibrate the antenna using Renault's diagnostic tool. Ignoring early warnings like dashboard alerts will escalate the issue. Replacing door latches may be required.